Enhance your fleet with Verizon Connect's extended view cameras. They provide real-time footage from the sides, rear, and cargo area. That gives you and your drivers nearly 360 degrees of visibility and insights. Because when your team sees more of what's going on, it can help keep everyone safe. All the footage lives on one platform, making it easy to know what's happening with your drivers and their cargo, and to access data and tools you can use to promote a culture of safety. If an accident happens, you can have footage of the scene to help deflect false claims and potentially reduce your liability. The benefits are easy to see with extended view cameras, only from Verizon Connect, helping you drive a safer tomorrow.